In this exercise, you will learn how to measure and calculate the outer diameter of a cylindrical tube using Vernier Caliper. Adjust the movable vernier scale to close the outer jaws of the Vernier Caliper. The outer jaws should be fixed on the outer circumference of the cylindrical tube. Note down the centimeter graduations on the main scale to the left of the zero graduations on the vernier scale. Here it is 40 mm on the main scale. Note down the millimeter graduations on the main scale, that is just left to the zero graduation on the vernier scale. Here it is 4 main scale. Observe along the 10 graduations on the vernier scale and the millimeter graduation on the adjacent main scale. You will find a line on the vernier scale that coincides straightly with a line on the main scale. Here it is 0.4 millimeter on the vernier scale. Now to get the measurement, just add the above found 3 readings. Here the outer diameter of the tube is 40 plus 4 plus 0.4 equals 44.40 mm.